guys, if you couldn't already tell, my name is Sloppy Grace. This light is super bright in front of me. This is the first day driving with this thing. Fucking I'm gonna get pulled over because of this thing. A little bit about me. Right now I'm driving my 2021 Jeep Trackhawk. If you don't know what that is, it's a Grand Cherokee, and they put a Hellcat motor in a Grand Cherokee. So, same motors, your Challengers, Chargers, Durango, the Ram, TRX. Man, this fucking light is bright, bro. I'm gonna drive with this thing. So, anyways, yeah, that's how I drive. My wife has a Jeep Grand Cherokee L, a little bit the longer one, in white. Her vehicle is so much cleaner than mine. Like, I love the interior. This has got the cookies and cream interior. It's got carbon fiber in here. I mean, it's in a Grand Cherokee version of, shoot, maybe, I don't know, maybe 2021. It's fully loaded, but hers is I think a 2023 Grand Cherokee L, and her fully loaded is completely different than my fully loaded. She's got way more to it, and she's got a screen over on the dash. She's got nice stitching on the seats. She has a Summit. It's a pretty dope Jeep. It's the ones that, like, if you ever seen a commercial of Jeep and there's the Grand Cherokee L in there, it's white with the black top. That's the one she's got. We got lucky finding that thing one day. And I also have a Tesla. That is my work vehicle. I'm actually on my way to work, but I have a GoPro, so why not make it a little bit more fun? I have to turn the heat up on this thing though, because I'm starting to bug up. Oh my goodness gracious. So yeah, I got my Jeep last year, little over a year ago, and it was basically brand new. I was on my honeymoon in California. I saw this and I'm like, oh my god, I can't do anything about it. I'm thousands of miles away. And I called the dealership, asked them if it was still there, told them I was in Cali. I'll come and look at it when I get back. When I got back, I called him. I said, alright, I'll be there tomorrow. I just had to get my truck because I didn't bring it to work. And when I got there, it was already parked out front, rolled in. They weren't expecting my truck either. I'll probably post a picture of my truck that I used to have before this. I had an F450 dually. It was a monstrosity of a truck. Big ass tires on it. Had 37s, the Toyo Open Countries with 22-inch rims. They were American Force rims, but they were nasty. I had a 6-inch lift on it. I got that used with, it was just under 12,000 miles. It was a 2017 F450 Platinum, under 12,000 miles for 70,000. I'm like, I saw that, I was like, dude, this is an absolute steal. And he put 20 to 30,000 down on the truck just to do whatever he did to it, lift it, tires, rims, everything. Those rims were 10 grand for the whole set. And I think he was moving some stuff, because in the bed of the truck there was a 1/2-inch steel plate, probably, I don't know, 3 foot by 2 foot, welded to the frame, going through the truck bed. So I'm pretty sure he was moving stuff, and the guy said he, buys new vehicles, trades them in all the time, whatever. They said the same thing about my Jeep. But then again, I drive vehicles that, most people don't drive. So there could be a little bit of truth to that. So I had that for 2 or 3 years, traded it in, got all my money back. Like, I drove it for free. Got this 2021. It was the cheapest in the US at the time, and it had the least amount of miles and the newest. So I was like, I have to jump on this. It was only 1,700 miles, but I drove it in that 1 year, 20,000 miles. I'm like, I'm killing this vehicle. I'm killing the value of this vehicle. So I had to look for a second vehicle just for work. Now I only really take this out on weekends. I'll probably take it here and there to work, just so I can, make videos like this. But that was a little too much. A little too much for the mileage. So I went with Tesla. I was looking at other cars, other 4-cylinder cars that, I liked. One of them was like a Cadillac CTS5 or something like that. And then the Cadillac XT5, the SUV. They were both 4-cylinders. They had good gas mileage. And I'm big on, just because I need to buy a vehicle like a 4-cylinder doesn't mean I need to buy any vehicle, no matter what it is. Like, I still want to enjoy it while I'm in it, and leave the vehicle and be like, oh yeah, that's my car. Like, oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to get around these 100 cars. So I was still trying to find like a decent price vehicle. I was kicking back and forth between new and used because I was going to be driving so much for work. Jesus, you're in a rush. And then I ended up going with Tesla. My brother-in-law has had, I don't know if this is the second or third one he just got. I'm not too sure. He's had no problems with it. He absolutely loves it. When they first came out, I was like, ugh, I don't like those things at all. Now, goddamn, I love that thing. And the one reason I wanted to do it was it's so different than any other car I've had. And also, I figured if I do eventually go electric, now would be kind of the time to do it in my mind. Like, you're getting the $7,500 tax credit, and I kind of want to get it while, the government or whatever is not really taxing you so hard, like getting their money back on you. Because there's going to be a point where there's going to be so many electric cars, the government's going to find a way to make sure that they get their money, because you're not buying gas anymore. So I figured now's the time to do it. And I think that tax incentive goes until like 2030 or something. But yeah, so that's me. I like long walks in the park and picnics. Just kidding. Yeah, I just wanted to get back into vlogging because I used to ride motorcycles. I had a Ninja 300, then a Ninja 636, and then a Harley Street Glide. And I used to vlog with my 636, and it was a lot of fun, cool, capturing things, especially when I'm going to speed in this thing. But yeah, it's like a little outlet to talk and mostly ramble about random shit. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first episode, number 1, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.